Hey, welcome back. There's one more layout that I want to make, and that's the activate layout. So let's say if I go to login and then register as a user, the server is going to send me an email with a link. And when I click that link, it's going to render the activate layout. All right, let's jump back into VS Code. Next, I'm going to open my sidebar, go to layouts and create a new folder. I will call it activate layout. And then inside that, two new files, my component, activate layout.js, and then activate layout.scss. Next, I'm going to collapse the sidebar, drag my Sass file over to the right, and then I'm going to import my variables inside my components, and then variables, semicolon. I'm going to define a class and call it activate. Give it a height of 100 view height. Click save really quick. Navigate to the activate layout component. Import my style. And then define my layout as activate layout. I will have a div with a class name of activate. Inside that, I'm going to have a paragraph tag, and I will say ready to login. I'm going to have a hand emoji, this one right here. Next, I want a span tag and the word here. Inside a span tag, I will have an on click that's equal to handle click. Next, I will include the history prop and then define my handle click. So const handle click is equal to an arrow function. I want to use history.push to my home route. So when the user clicks the word here, they will be redirected to the home page. Give that a quick save. Go back to my Sass file and complete my styling. After height, I want to display a flex, justify content center, align item center. The font weight will be 300. I want a letter spacing of 2 pixels. Next, I will target my paragraph tag. The font size will be 1.5 rem. The color will be yellow. The text transform will be capitalized. Next, I want to target the span tag. The cursor will be pointer, and then the color will be pink. Give that a quick save. Now navigate to my app.js file and create a new route. I'm going to say route. The path will be /API/auth/activate, and then / activate _token. I want it to be the exact path, and the component is going to render will be my activate layout. Tap that and it will auto import for me. Give it a quick save. Navigate to my front end. And the route was /API/auth/activate, and then a token. There's one more style that I forgot to apply. Let's go back to VS Code, and it's here. I want the background to be purple dark. Give that a save and recheck my front end. And this is what the user will see when they activate their account. And if they click here, it will prompt them to log in. And this concludes the lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.